didn't mean to get that guy, but apparently I just did. Okay, I've lost the guy on the outside. That last hurricane was a fooled me. I kept thinking it was over, and it kept coming back. And then it finally macked. The last day in the evening was when it got big.
Yeah.
But it had an east component to it. Then it faded out like it was going to get big. Then it had a southern swell that showed, and then it backed off, and then like 2 hours later, the real swell hit.
You're talking about as far as like
The last hurricane?
like Ida?
Yeah.
Ida was, there was ones like, let's say the one before that, but like
Fred or something like
two
that.
before that was like really, really good. And then we had those days where it's like it actually held up to two solid stars, and the other